Carboxylic acids by Poirier. The definition of a carboxylic acid is an organic acid containing a carboxyl group. The simplest examples are methanoic acid and ethanoic acid. Carboxylic acids get their name from their carboxyl group, which is so named because of the carbonyl group and hydroxyl group. Discovery of orally active carboxylic acid derivatives as inhibitors for the potential treatment of obesity and diabetes. Carboxylic acids are acidic. They are considered weak acids because they ionize weakly in water. In water, they can either lose a hydrogen ion or gain a carboxyl ion, as shown in the reaction below. The physical properties of carboxylic acids are governed by their ability to form hydrogen bonds. Carboxylic acids have a boiling point and are not soluble in water. They behave as acids and ionize only slightly in water. Carboxylic acids are weak but are strong enough to react with bases stronger than water. The chemical properties of carboxylic acids are that it's highly acidic, highly polar, and they can react with metals, carbonates, and bases. The carboxylic acid functional group is the highest priority functional group. When naming a group with a carboxylic functional group, you take the alkane name and drop the ane and add oic acid. The hardest thing about acids is that a lot of them have historic names which have patterns. 5 examples of carboxylic acids are formic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid, butyric acid, and valeric acid. Carboxylic acids are used in soda pop and other sparkling beverages. It is also used for organic life because they dissolve readily into individual molecules in solvents including water. Carboxylic acids are also used in vinegar and create organic tissues such as hair, skin, heart, and tree bark. It is also used in the citric acid cycle, which is a process in which humans and most animals derive a majority of their energy from. The definition of an alcohol is any organic compound whose molecule contains one or more hydroxyl groups attached to a carbon atom. The definition of an alkyl halide is the haloalkanes are a group of chemical compounds derived from alkanes containing one or more halogens. They are a subset of a general class of halocarbons, although the distinction is often not made. The definition of an ether is a pleasant-smelling, colorless, volatile liquid that is highly flammable. It is used as an anesthetic and as a solvent or intermediate in industrial processes. The definition of an aldehyde is an organic compound containing a formal group. This functional group with the structure RCHO consists of a carbonyl center bonded to hydrogen and an R group, which is any generic alkyl or side chain. The definition of ketones are an organic compound with the structure RCR, where R and R can be a variety of carbon-containing substituents. Ketones feature a carbonyl group bonded to 2 other carbon atoms. The definition of a carboxylic acid is an organic acid containing a carboxyl group. The simplest examples are methanoic acid and ethanoic acid. The definition of esters are an organic compound made by replacing the hydrogen of an acid by an alkyl or other organic group. Many naturally occurring fats and essential oils are esters of fatty acids. The definition of an amine is an organic compound derived from ammonia by replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms by organic groups. The definition of an amide is an organic compound containing the group CONH2 related to ammonia by replacing a hydrogen atom by an acyl group. The definition of a polymer is a substance that has a molecular structure consisting chiefly or entirely of a large number of similar units bonded together. Example, many synthetic organic materials use plastics and resins.